So today we are going to continue the remaining part of the story of Old Man River. So before entering into the story that we need to see, so we can say just have a recap of before situations. So the place taking place in Amy Marshall's house. Amy Marshall and Betty Marshall are sisters. Amy Marshall is 17 years old and Betty Marshall is her younger sister, and Rose Field and Sarah Field are the neighborhood of Amy Marshall. So Rose Field is 16 years old and Sarah Field is 9 years old. So Jim Hall is also another neighborhood of Amy Marshall. He is also 17 years old. So Amy, Betty, Rose are gathered in Amy Marshall's house, and the situation is there is a flood broken between the bridges from his house and Chatta his house. So they were situated in Amy's house, and also her mother could not able to come to Amy's house because he has been caught up in the flood in Mr. Brand's house with Dick. So and also by the time Jim also joins with Amy and helping them to protect from the flood. So Jim already has experience in serving Junior Red Cross, so that he can able to handle the situation with this, and also he can able to help their friends. So now we can continue the lesson. So before that, Amy and Jim were discussing about how we need to protect ourselves by saving the lights, water, food, clothes, and also first aid kit. And also by the time Rose has been left to fill the fresh water, and Betty has been left to search of some candles, lamps, whatever he got like flashlights. So now the story is continuing. So by the time Jim is consoling Amy that we can able to protect ourselves, don't worry, I am there. So he's consoling Amy to be very confident and we can able to handle this situation. So now we can start the remaining part of the story. Amy still staring out the window. So Amy is still standing, still seeing window outside, and she is very staring அப்படியே பயந்து போய் மலைச்சு போய் நிற்குது. How fast the river rising, do you think, Jim? So she is saying that see how the river of the flood is coming, rise, it's rising. அந்த வெள்ளம் வந்து எவ்வளோ அதிகமாக ஆயிடுச்சு அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு பாரு ஜிம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு சொல்கிறான். Jim, I don't know, and it might stop before it reaches us. If the only rain would let up, we will signal for the help from the floor. They will send a boat or something. So now Jim is saying, before it reaches us, our house, the rain should be stopped. Then only the flood will not enter into the house. So if the rain stops, there is no problem. So now nothing problem. We will give some signal from the roof, and somebody will help with something. So somebody will come with a boat or help them, or with something they will come for her help. So you don't worry. So Jim is consoling Amy. Rose. Now Rose is entering from the left. I've got enough fresh water to the last as week. So Rose came from entering left side, and she's saying that I have filled all the tubs, pails, pitchers, and everything with the fresh water to we can have plenty of water we can last this week. So இந்த வாரத்துக்கு தேவையான எல்லா பாத்திரங்களையும் நான் வந்துட்டு என்ன பண்ணிட்டேன், ஃப்ரெஷ் வாட்டர் சேவ் பண்ணிட்டேன். ஸோ நோ வரிஸ். ஸோ இந்த வீக்குக்கு நம்மளுக்கு தேவையான ஃப்ரெஷ் வாட்டர்ஸ் நம்மக்கிட்ட இருக்குது. லைக் தட் ஷீ இஸ் சேயிங். Who will send a boat for us, Jim, and from where? So she is asking an additional question. Who will send a boat? Because she heard that Jim was talking to Amy. So she is asking Jim. So who will send boat and for what? So from where? So who will send? Like that she is asking. She goes to the window, screams, horror, look at the river. So by asking that, she runs to the window, and she is seeing out of the window that the river is coming very heavily. So he is very terrified, and she said, oh, what a river, so look at this river, how we can save. Like that she started to scream. Now Amy Shh, Rose, don't tell others. Jim says, we will be alright. Let's see what food we have on hand. So Amy is just controlling Betty, don't say, controlling Rose that don't tell others. So don't tell both the food that is coming nearby our house. So, and Amy also consoles her, everything will be alright. Meanwhile, Jim is saying that we can see what food we have in our hand. So they are in search of some foods. So now, by the conversation is between Rose, Jim, and Amy, Betty also enters, entering from the left. Here, all the lights. Do you say foot? Hark, what's that? All four stand perfect still listening. From far, a child's voice is heard. So Betty is entering from the left and she is saying that I have lights with me. So she already had went in search of some lights of lamps or flashlight. So she came with some lights and she is saying, and also she is saying that have you talked about some foods? By the time he can able to hear the sound of a child's voice. So everybody are silent and they are listening the voice of the child, that is they can able to hear the voice of child. So now see Sarah. Who is Sarah? Sarah is Rosefield's sister, that is younger sister. Next, Sarah. Rose, it's me, Sarah. So Sarah is screaming that ரோஸ்னா யார்? சாராவோட சிஸ்டர் தான். ஸோ ரோஸ், நான் தான் சாரா கூப்பிட்றேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு வாய்ஸ் கேட்குது. Rose, Sarah, where is she? All run to the window. So Rose is screaming that Sarah, where is she? அவள் எங்கே போனா அது மாதிரின்னு சொல்லிட்டு everybody are running to the window. Amy, there is she on the playhouse porch. How did she get there? So Amy is saying, Amy found out where is Sarah and she is saying she is there, she is in the playhouse porchனா வந்துட்டு போர்ட்டிக்கோ சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, அதுதான் playhouse porchன்னு சொல்கிறது. ஸோ she is there. How did she go there? எப்படி அவள் போனான்னு சொல்லிட்டு Amy is asking to Rose. Followed me here probably. She loves playhouse, the little monkey. So Rose is saying she followed me only, but probably she likes to play in that playhouse. There is a little monkey, so she used to play with that. So she went there like that. Rose is saying there. Jim goes out calling, stay where you are. Sarah, I will get you. So Jim goes out and stay asking Sarah, you wait there itself, I'll come and help you. Amy, it's lucky the playhouse is on the higher ground. So Amy is saying, by seeing the window itself, Amy is saying better luck, that is our luck, because playhouse is in the higher ground. நல்லா வந்துட்டு ஒரு மேடான பகுதியில் இருக்குது, அதனால வந்துட்டு ஃப்ளட் வரல, அதனால வந்துட்டு பரவாயில்ல, நம்மளுக்கும் லக் இருக்குது, சாராவுக்கும் லக் இருக்குது, அது மாதிரி வந்துட்டு Amy is saying. Rose, still at the window, but isn't. Look, it's nearly afloat. The girls gather at the window. There goes Jim. Look, the water is above his knees. So Rose is still standing by the window and seeing outside. எஸ் பட் அது மட்டும் உண்மை கிடையாது, ஹையர் கிரவுண்டில் இருக்கிறது மட்டும். அங்கே பாரு, லுக், இட்ஸ் நியர்லி ஃப்ளோட்டி. இப்பயே பாரு முழுகிற, அதாவது ப்ளே ஹவுஸ் வந்துட்டு ஆல்ரெடி வந்துட்டு முழுகிற நிலைமையில தான் இருக்குது. ஸோ பை சேயிங் திஸ் இஸ் இட், ஆல் த கேர்ள்ஸ் கேதர் நியர் த விண்டோ அண்ட் they are watching they are seeing Jim. He is helping Sarah. லுக் அட் த வாட்டர் இஸ் above his knees. அங்கே பாரு, அவன் வந்துட்டு அவனோட நீக்கு மேலேயே வந்துட்டு வாட்டர் இருக்குது அப்படின்ட்டு ரோஸ் இஸ் சேயிங். Amy, he will need dry clothes. See if you can find some dad's thing for Jim. Betty, Sarah can have Dick's. So Amy is saying that because Jim had went to save Sarah, so already it is raining, so he had got already raining and the food is floating there, so he went in that water and he is saving. So Amy is saying he need to dry his clothes, அதாவது வேறு ட்ரெஸ் மாற்றணும். ஸோ பெட்டர் வந்துட்டு அப்போ அதாவது டேடியோட ட்ரெஸ்லாம் வந்துட்டு ஜிம் போட்டுக்கலாம், சாராவோடதெல்லாம் வந்துட்டு சாரா வந்துட்டு டிக்கோட ட்ரெஸ்ஸு யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம்னு சொல்லிட்டு பெட்டிக்கிட்ட சொல்லிகிட்டு இருக்கான் ரோஸ். தேர் ஹீ காட் ஹர். சீதர் அவங்க வந்துட்டு அவங்க காப்பாற்றிட்டான்னு ரோஸ் சொல்கிறான். Amy, I'll make some hot cocoa for everyone. There is a thumping and voice at the right and Jim enters carrying Sarah backpack. Sarah is beaming. So by the time Amy is saying, so, okay, I'll make some coffee for everybody. So by the time there is a humping na vegama varadu, and humping and boys at the right, and Jim enters carrying Sarah at the backpack. So back side, அதாவது உப்பு மூட்டை தூக்குவாங்க இல்லையா, அது மாதிரி வந்துட்டு சாரா தூக்கிட்டு ஜிம் வந்துட்டு என்டர் ஆகுறான். சாரா வந்துட்டு ஹீ இஸ் பீமிங்னா ரொம்ப பிரைட்டாக அப்படியே கண்ணை வச்சுட்டு ரொம்ப ப்ராட் ஸ்மைலிங்லாம் வந்துட்டு சிரிச்சிட்ருக்கா விளையாட்டுத்தனமாக. Sarah, hello everybody. That was a fun ride. Some more, please, Jim. So she's welcoming. She's saying hello to everybody, and she's saying this is very fun. And some more ride. அதாவது இன்னும் உப்பு மூட்டை தூக்கிட்டு சுற்று அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஜிம் கிட்ட சொல்கிறா. Now Jim is answering, no young lady, it's enough. You're ஹெவி. ஸோ போதும் யங் லேடி, அதாவது சின்ன போதும், ஆல்ரெடி நீ வந்துட்டு ஹெவியாக தான் இருக்கே, போதும்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஜிம் சொல்கிறான். She is dry as bone. Rose, I am not. So இப்போ வந்துட்டு இப்போ ஆல்ரெடி வந்துட்டு ட்ரையாக தான் இருக்கா, அதனால் இவளுக்கு ட்ரெஸ்ஸு வேணாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ரோஸ் கிட்ட சொல்லிகிட்டு இருக்கான். ஏமி, யூ கேன் ஹாவ் சம் dad's thing. I'm going to get some supper. As she says, the lights go out. They all gasp and Betty screams. So by the Amy saying that now I'll go and get my dad things, that you can dad things, so that you can able to change your clothes, and also I'll make some supper for everybody. She's saying as she is about to move, all the lights has gone off. That is a power cut. So all gasped அப்படின்னா வந்துட்டு பெருமூச்சு, ஷார்ட் ப்ரீத். ஸோ எவ்ரிபடி அப்பா ஐயோ அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, அது மாதிரி வந்துட்டு they have made some noise, and Betty started to scream. Jim trying to sound casual. So Jim is trying to control the sound of Betty. Powerhouse must be out of commission. Light or candles? Betty switches on the flashlight and lights 3 candles. So ஜிம் இஸ் சேயிங் தட் பவர் கமிஷன், அதாவது டிரான்ஸ்ஃபார்மர்லாம் போயிருக்கலாம், பவர் கமிஷன், அதாவது பவர் பேங்க்கில் பவர் ஹவுஸில் இருக்கல பவர்லாம் வந்துட்டு அவுட் ஆஃப் கனெக்ஷனாக போயிருக்கும். ஸோ தட் வி கேன் கேண்டில்ஸ் ஆர் லைட். ஸோ த பெட்டி இஸ் ஸ்விட்சிங் ஆன் த ஃப்ளாஷ் லைட்ஸ் அண்ட் ஹீ இஸ் லைட்டிங் அ 3 candles. Amy, I'm glad we have oil stove for cooking. Rose, taking a candle, forward march to the kitchen. Betty takes a candle and follows with Sarah trailing. All exist right. Humping, tramp, 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 the boys are marching. So Amy is saying that no, thank God we have a oil stove. நம்ம வீட்டில் வந்துட்டு oil stove இருக்குது, so we can use that for cooking. So Sarah took a candle, Rose took a candle and he started to march towards the kitchen. For by following Rose, Betty and Sarah is following Rose. By the time they can able to hear the humming sound of tramp tramp by the boys are marching. Jim in a low voice to Amy, the river was up another foot. Amy, and another heart that had playhouse would have been floating out in the current. At this rate, the floor will be under water by morning. So now Jim is saying in a low voice to Amy. So there is another foot up by the river, so we need to be very careful. By the time after 1 hour, the playhouse will be full with floating of water in current, so that by the morning here our house also will be filled with water, so we need to be very careful. So Amy, what will we do then? Jim, neither Sarah nor Betty is a strong swimmer. So now Amy is saying that what we will do, what we can do, Jim, because Sarah and also Betty does not know swimming. So what we can do, like that Amy is asking to Jim. I'm going to climb out on the roof and started waving the flashlights. Someone will see it and come for us. So Jim is saying that, so I'm going to climb on the roof and started to waving our flashlights, so someone will see and will come and help us. But who? No one is on the main road, and there are no houses within sight of us. So Amy is asking who will help us. There is nobody is on the main road, and who will see our house, and who will there is no house with the sight of us. There is no any nearby house near our house. So what we can do, who will see? There is no one on the main road, so who will see? Like that Amy is asking to Jim. There will be a just pinpoint light. Are you scared? So Amy is saying there will be a pinpoint of light. அதாவது ரொம்ப வெளிச்சம் கம்மியாக தான் இருக்கும். Are you scared? உனக்கு பயமாக இருக்காதா? Like that Betty is Amy is asking to Jim. You bet. Are you? ஸோ ஜிம் இஸ் ஆஸ்கிங் யூ பெட்னா ஸ்கேர்டா, எனக்கா பயமா, யூ பயப்படுறியா, ஆர் யூ உனக்கு நீ பயப்படுறியா அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஜிம் வந்துட்டு ஏமி கிட்டே கேட்குறான். டெரிஃபைட், ஐ எம் கிளாட் யூ ஆர் ஹியர். ஸோ ஏமி வந்துட்டு பயத்தோட ஒரு பயம் மனசுக்குள்ளே இருந்தாலும் வெளியில் வந்துட்டு இப்போ எனக்கு நம்பிக்கை என்னென்னா நீ என் கூட இருக்கிறது தான் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஏமி சேயிங் டு ஜிம் we will see it through if we just keep our heads. ஸோ நம்ம வந்துட்டு நம்மளோட சுச்சுவேஷனை ஃபேஸ் பண்ணுவோம். ஸோ we can furtherly move our steps. So no, there is nothing possible. So we can move further or move. So he started to wave the lights on the roof of the house. So scene 2 will be continued in next video. Thank you.